Welcome back to Balance by Design. First of all, we about to make a quick and yummy dessert. You know what it is?
No.
It's a strawberry shortcake trifle with cream cheese pudding. Okay?
So that actually sounds pretty good.
We have our bowl here.
Oh, we need a knife.
Yeah, we need a knife, so you grab it. We have angel food cake that we purchased at the store. We have cream cheese. Cream cheese pudding, instant pudding, okay? And you're gonna need a box and a half. Also, we have 3 cups of milk. We wanted fresh strawberries, but they didn't have any at our local market. So, we got this Walmart frozen strawberries. These will work just fine. We're just gonna chop them up, throw them in there, okay? And then, of course, you gotta have you some whipped topping. We just got whipped topping. You can get Cool Whip or whatever kind you like, or you can make it. Okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. First, I'm just gonna move the bowl. We have our chopping block here. And let's open it up.
Yeah.
Oh. And I ordered actually a Sara Lee pound cake, but they didn't need, so they gave me like 3 of these. I don't think we're gonna need them all, but this is a layered dessert. We're gonna chop these up into cubes. And we're going to put that down first, okay? And then we're going to get working on our strawberries and our pudding. So let's go ahead and get these on board. Just take it out, put it on the board. Our hands are clean. We just washed them. Okay, you can go ahead and get rid of those.
Yep.
Where's your knife?
Okay.
Okay. Well, don't we need 2? Because I'm going to chop the cake. You're going to chop the cake.
Oh.
She only brought 1 knife. Grab another one. And I'm going to start chopping mine up. Okay. Just cut it in slices first, baby. We're probably gonna need a large bowl too to put the dices in until we're ready to layer it up, okay? So, let's just take a quick little taste off of there.
Hey, that looks pretty good. That's pretty good.
And all we're gonna do is cube this up, y'all, like so, little cubes. And this is going to be the first layer of our dessert, okay? You see how mommy did? We're just going to cube them up. Take it and cut it in 3. And then turn it and cut it again into cubes. There you go. That's correct. Good job.
Cool.
Alright, we're just going to go ahead and get this cubed up, y'all. Alright, so we have our strawberries here. We're just going to dice these up to go on top of our cake layer. Okay. Get you some and dice them. And
yeah, they're cold.
Yeah, these are in the freezer section, so they're just cold berries, which is good because it's a cold dessert.
Slices or what?
You can slice it however you want. The thing about this is, the great thing about it is, they don't even have to be pretty slices. We're just going to chunk them up and we're going to throw them on.
Alrighty.
So we're not trying to make these neat or pretty or anything. We're just dicing them up on the board. Alright, let's see how this looks because we need some for our next layer. So let's get these on. Just going to scooch those right on. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright. Get them on, get them on, get them on. My little baby, she's gonna mix everything all up for the pudding. So, I told you guys that I had forgot the sweetened condensed milk. So I went and got it. So first we're gonna blend these together, the cream cheese and the sweet milk. Guess I should have everything open, sorry. Okay, so let's get this going. And it would be good if your cream cheese is at room temp. Okay?
My hand is still cold from those berries.
From the berries.
Yep.
And we want to get all that goodness. See all that goodness on there? We ain't going to leave that. We're going to get all that goodness off of there. Nope, we ain't leaving that. Let's get all that goodness off of there. Okay. There we go. Put that to the side. My hands got a little dirty. Okay. Pour that in.
So
you might need to get a knife so we can get all of that out of there. Get a little knife, a little plastic knife. Fine. All right. Get your beater on up in there, girl, and get to mixing. Go ahead. Adding her pudding. A box and a half. These are 3.4 ounce boxes. I didn't see these in a larger box. If you have the large box, I think it's like 5.6 or something like that ounces. Get the large box. If not, you only have the small, use a box and a half, okay? This is only a half. You got it on low? Cheesecake pudding. Okay. And 3 cups of cold milk. All right. This might get a little messy. Come on. Mix it on, mix it on. That's why I'm trying to pour it slow so we don't get milk everywhere. All right. Not so bad. There you go. Let me see the consistency. Okay, it's still watery, so we gotta keep mixing. Just keep on mixing, just keep on mixing. All right, keep mixing. This may take, 2 to 4 minutes to get it to the consistency. Okay, so this is about the consistency that we're looking for. It's thick, but still creamy, okay, y'all? Thick, but still creamy. And now to that, we're gonna add our whipped topping. So let's go ahead and add, we're just gonna do half of this for right now. Go ahead and stir that in. Stir it in, stir it in, stir it in. You want a bigger spoon? Yeah. Okay. You wanna eat that?
Sure.
I was about to say, if you don't, I will.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Now I'm going to bring y'all in closer so y'all can see, okay? That's good. Let's see. Let me see here. All right, that's good. So y'all see that? It's thick, but yet creamy. So that's the consistency that you're looking for. Go ahead and put you some dollops on there, baby.
Of what?
The pudding. What are we making here? Put some of the pudding on there. Yeah. We're gonna cover that strawberry layer. We're gonna use about half of the mix now, and then half at the top.
You think it's gonna be really good?
All right, next layer of cake. Oh, wait,
Sorry.
you're wasting. Okay, there we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
The whole plate?
Yep. It's gonna need it all, girl. We want all of that goodness. Oh, if the piece that fell. There you go.
Plate.
Okay. So, y'all, like I said, this is quick and it's easy. So, let's let you guys get a load of this, okay? This is where we are, okay? Now, we're gonna go back on top with the rest of these strawberries. Rest of the strawberries.
Got some bread in there.
It's okay, the bread is in here anyway. So we want to get strawberry in every bite, okay? And then after the strawberries, we're ready for the rest of that pudding. Just go on and put it all on top.
Oops, sorry, get your fingers.
It's okay. Get that goodness on that other side, go. Is that it? She about to elbow me in the face.
Oh, I am sorry.
That's all right. Okay. I'll get that right there.
Is that good?
Yes, and just spread it over the top. And then we're going to top it off with whipped cream. Make sure you get all the edges blinking. All the edges. Get them edges, edges, edges. Edges, edges, edges. I'll let you finish it. Here, let me get that off of there. Get that out of there. Because we want all of this good stuff.
Yeah.
There you go. Go ahead and put that in the sink. The reason why I said we need 2 is because I didn't think 1 was going to be enough to top it and to put in the pudding mix. So, I haven't got dirty. That's okay. Go ahead and give us a spoon so we can put this right in the center. A small spoon is fine. We just need to get it out. Get this right on that, on top. And like I said, this isn't enough, so we're gonna get some out of this other one. And I'm gonna let my sugar, you don't have to go all the way to the edges with this, baby. Just kind of shook it around in the middle, okay?
Yeah.
There you go, go ahead. And she know what shook around mean, because she know mommy talk. Shook around. Yep, that's it. That's it. You ain't gotta go all the way to the edges. Just shook it at the top. Yep. Alright. Okay, this is it, y'all. Strawberry shortcake trifle with cream cheese pudding, and we are done. That's a wrap. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And hold on just a second. We're calling the boys in so they can get a taste. Alright, here we go.
Oh yeah, I'm ready. This gonna be delicious.
Alright,
So,
Daddy, how much you want?
Just a little something.
Just a little taste?
Yeah, I'm taking a break from
Daddy's working, y'all. He's really working today. So I'm just gonna give them a little bit to taste it. I'm gonna have to let y'all see the inside. It's so
Very
pretty.
pleasant.
All right. Mommy gets the first bite, then she gives it to the daddy.
Good, ain't it?
Yes. Bomb.
Delicious. Might have to give me a second serving.
Hit it.
It's good, bro.
Hit that stop.